Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a Dollar Tree haul, a Dollar Tree product review. I'm going to review the Mega Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild and announce a giveaway, a Dossier perfume. The Dossier Perfume Company, sweet lady over there, Madison, sent me 2 bottles of perfume and 2 sample bottles, and I'm going to keep one for myself and give one to one of my lucky subscribers. Dossier perfume is great. It's sort of like a subscription perfume service, but it's really nice perfume at a really good price. It's they call it the fair alternative to luxury perfumes. It's made in France. It's vegan and cruelty-free, all clean ingredients, and it smells delicious. They don't spend any money on fancy bottles or fancy packaging. It's all in the perfume, and this stuff smells great. So I've got 2. I got the Floral number 2 and the Oriental number 2. So I'm going to be giving away the Oriental number 2. And it is almond, iris, jasmine, tuberose, sandalwood, coffee, tonka bean, and vanilla and cacao. This smells really good. I have not opened the bottle, but I used the little travel size sample. So when you buy the perfume from Dossier, they send you the sample. You can test out the sample, and if you don't like it, you can send the perfume back and exchange it. But I kept the Floral for myself, and it is Rangoon Creeper, Jasmine, Tuberose, and Iris, and it smells beautiful. But anyway, I'll put a link down to them in the description box, and to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment saying what's your favorite perfume, and be a subscriber and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be giving this away next month. This is going to be in honor of my mommy. Today would have been her 76th birthday. I'm sorry, 77th birthday, but this is going to be in honor of her, so this will be giving this away next month on the 25th. So that'll be September the 25th. So now let's get to the Dollar Tree stuff. Okay. Going to go ahead and start off the review before we get into the products. I purchased this about a week ago. This is the Mega Cushion Foundation SPF 15 Wet n Wild, and this is Cream Ivory. I think this is a pretty good foundation. It goes on, my camera is kind of bad, so you might not be able to tell, but it does go on really smooth, and it has good coverage. I won't say it's the longest lasting. I have tried setting spray over it, and it lasts pretty good. It probably would last longer if I didn't have to take on and off a mask half the day, but I do like it. It doesn't really have very much fragrance, and it comes in a little compact. Now, I don't put it on with this little sponge. I don't particularly like the feel of this sponge. But then you open it up, and it's got the little pad in it. And I put my foundation on with a brush. So I just take the brush and kind of dip it in the pan and put it on. But I've liked it for $1. This is a good deal as far as I'm concerned. Considering that even drugstore makeup now is costing $15 to $16. But I thought it was really good. I had a hard time finding a color that was light enough for me because I'm really fair complected, but Cream Ivory seemed to work for me. Just enough color to cover my red spots and my little age spots, I guess. But anyway, I think it's a good deal. I like it. If I see some more, I'm going to buy some more and kind of stock up on it. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good product. It's well worth $1. And I'm kind of loving wearing the mask because I don't have to really wear that much makeup. All I do is worry about putting some eyelash, some mascara on and drawing on some eyebrows, and then I'm good to go. So anyway, got to find a silver lining, people. So that out of the way, let's get to my Dollar Tree haul. So I've got some craft stuff and some household stuff, but my favorite thing that I found, well, my second favorite thing, I think it's in there, but anyway, I found this cute Halloween glass, keep calm and carry a wand. I have a little shelf display in my living room that has all my Harry Potter stuff on it, so I thought I would put that on there. And then I have some Harry Potter stuff. It must be down in this bag, but that was my favorite thing that I found this week. But anyway, let's get to my cleaning stuff. Excuse me. I picked up some of the LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. The orange container one is my favorite one, the stain lifter. I think it does a great job. It does a great job on my whites and my colors and my jeans. And then I picked up the little bottle of the Tide Simply Clean, and usually I just pour this into my LA Awesome to just give it a little boost. And that's this is Tide, and it's 10 fluid ounces. So I get 74 ounces of really good laundry detergent for $2. So I think that's a great deal. And then I get the LA's Totally Awesome Bleach. I usually like the lemon scent, but they haven't been having that. So I've just been getting this one. This is fresh scent. It just smells like bleach, and it's 96 fluid ounces. But it does a great job, so I don't have any thing against those. They're well worth $1. They do a great job, and they work just good as Clorox. And I'm not going to say this works as good as Tide. I think Tide does a great job of washing your clothes if you're really active and out working and sweaty and things. But this, for day-to-day use of my clothes, I don't need anything stronger than that. And then I got a couple of craft things. I got the Crafter Square Decorative 4 pumpkins, and then the one with the 6 pumpkins in it. It's time to start with those Halloween and fall crafts, so hopefully I'm going to get some done. And then this is kind of a crafty thing, but I got this for my puppies. I'm going to put a little video at the end of it, and I'll wind it up and see what my puppies think of this little rat. He's on wheels. You wind him up and he kind of rolls around and his tail spins. But anyway, I'm going to put that down and see what my puppies think of that. And speaking of puppos, I got them some of the Canine Carryout Chew Bones, long-lasting chews, beef flavored, and these are produced in Topeka, Kansas. I'm trying to get things made in the United States, you know, just because my puppies have little delicate tummies. I bought some cookies from Dollar Tree for the puppies, and they did not react well to them, but these, they seem to be doing good. Then I picked up the magnetic shower liner. It's 70 inches wide and 72 inches long. This makes a great drop cloth if you're painting, so I just picked that up. I've got a paint project that I'm going to do, and I'm going to cover my table with that. Then I picked up the Scotty's Tissue, Softness You Can Feel. This is the 2-ply, 148 tissues in the box. So I got that. It's fast coming on flu season, and I have allergies and sinus, so I've been having a really hard time. And then I got some more pumpkins in here. I picked up the little pumpkin clips, the 3. This is still Crafter Square. The 3 larger, and then the 4 smaller. And these don't have a clip, they have a wire on them, so I got those. I'm going to do some wreaths and some arrangements, so I picked those up. And then I picked up some of the hair clips. These are great to have, and I don't know, I buy them and then I lose them. I don't know, somewhere there's 1,000 of them, I guess. But oh, here's my Harry Potter stuff. And I was going to save these. These are the Harry Potter Mystery Backpack Buddy wand packs. When I just couldn't wait, I had to open them as soon as I got them. And there's 8 that you can collect. And let me go ahead and open it. These are really cute. And they're really packaged well. I can hardly get into it. Okay. And you can clip them on your backpack or your purse. But then they have a clip on them. It says Harry Potter. If you can see, if it'll zooming in on me. And then it has the name of the person. This is Hermione's wand, Hermione Granger. That's her wand. And then I thought this one was really nice. This is Dumbledore's wand. Those of you who are Harry Potter fans, you know this is also called the Elder Wand. So, got that. So that's great. And I might collect a few more, try to get... I would like to have Harry's wand and Luna Lovegood, because Luna is one of my favorite characters, so I would love to have her wand. But I'm going to put those on my little display of Harry Potter stuff in my living room. And then I picked up some of these little foam beads, Crafter Square. I've got a dollhouse, and I've had it for years, and I haven't ever worked on it. It's just been sitting there, and I decided that like I needed something else to do, I'm going to fix up the dollhouse. And I saw a video where they used something like this to make little potted plants. This was like the flower or the bulb thing. But anyway, thought I'd give that a try. And then I picked up the crepe paper streamers in the green. These are going to be leaves on my dollhouse miniature plants, hopefully. And I picked up this wonderful plastic skeleton. It's 18 inches. And he's really cute. He's going to be for a craft. I'm making some Harry Potter potion bottles, and I'm going to do the Scarecrow from when Harry broke his arm and they had to fix it. And then I picked up a couple of AAA batteries, the Panasonic. That's a good price. And then I saw these are erasers, but they're Dr. Seuss erasers, and they look like little Dr. Seuss books. I know they're a little bigger than what should be in a 1/12 scale dollhouse, but I thought I'd put these in my little kids room in my dollhouse, because kids storybooks are sometimes oversized, so I'll put those in there. And then I picked up some of the Crafter Squares, these cute little paper sunflowers, the small ones, and then the larger ones. There's six pieces in the large one and 9 pieces in the small one, so those were nice. And then I found these. These are the keto snack mix. This has peanuts, pepitas, almonds, walnuts, dried cheddar cheese balls. And I have tried these. These are not my favorite. They have 5 carbohydrates per serving and 3 grams of fiber, so 2 net carbs, and there's 3 servings per container. The only thing that I don't like about this is the little cheese balls, dried cheddar cheese balls in here. They taste like nuts, and they make the nuts taste like cheese, and I don't like it. And there's no salt on these nuts, so if you like salted nuts, don't get these. I bought them anyway. Even after I tried them, I bought some more, because I can always just put them in a frying pan with a little bit of butter and add some salt, and they taste great. And nuts are very expensive. So, and then they have the paleo nut mix. This is great. This has 5 carbs also per serving and 2 grams of fiber, so it's 3 net carbs, 3 per serving. And these are great nuts, but they're not salted, they're not roasted. It says they're roasted. They don't taste roasted, and they have absolutely no salt on them. So, but if you just heat them up a little bit, maybe in the microwave with some butter or in a frying pan and put some salt, they are great. And this helps, because if I buy a jar of nuts, I will eat a jar of nuts. That way, if I go crazy and eat this whole thing, I still only have 9 carbs. So, it's a little portion control for me. But that was nice. I liked seeing that. I like more places are having keto stuff. Then I picked up some of this basket bags. You know, it's time to start gearing up for Christmas, and usually at Christmas I can never find these. And then I picked up 2 of the little rugs, little area rugs, ribbed floor mats is what they call them. But anyway, I'm making a ramp for my little pups so they can get up in my bed. I have a dachshund with a very gentle back, so I don't like her jumping and stuff, so I'm going to make the ramp and then cover it with that. And then I picked up 2 of these Day of the Dead skulls. I got the lady and the gentleman, and we're going to see what we can do with that. And got some more skulls in here. I picked up the little bag of skulls. There's 8 pieces in here, little plastic skulls, and that's in the Halloween section. And a sheet of the adhesive cork. This is great. I love this. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna do fix a vase for my sister, and I'm gonna cut a circle out and put it on the bottom of the vase so it won't damage your table. And what else have I got down in here? I got some of the liquid adhesive from Crafter Square, and it's the 0.9 fluid ounces. It's for wood, plastic, leather, paper, cardboard trims. Easy to use applicator, so I picked that up. Then I picked up 2 of these aluminum trays. I'm going to kind of use this as a drip pan when I do my paint project. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I have not found the calendar that I'm looking for, but I found the 2021 God Bless This Farm calendar and the Brave calendar. So I picked those up, and this has the cutest pictures. I'm going to take these little pictures off the back here and frame them to go in my dollhouse, so I can have a matching cow in my dollhouse. It kind of looks like the Bessie in my house. So I thought that would be cute. That, and then what else have I got? Oh, I picked up a tablecloth. These are good to use as drop cloths also, so I picked that one up. And then I picked up, I don't know if these work. I'm going to give them a try. There are the 2-pack of dryer balls. It says it softens fabrics without chemical fabric softeners, reduces drying times and saves energy, reduces static and lint buildup. So I had the wool dryer balls, but my dogs thought that they were toys and they chewed them all up, so I don't have those anymore. And then I picked up the little wooden chest. This is from Crafter Square also, and I thought that I would just put this in the attic of my dollhouse and have some little things kind of poking out of it, like somebody had packed up their treasures in the attic. So I'm going to kind of do a creepy attic. So I got this from the Halloween section, the Trick or Treat coffin box. So I'm going to put that in my attic too. So it's going to be I'm kind of weird, so I'm going to do that. And then I picked up one last thing. I picked up the April Spa Bath and Shower hand and nail gloves to kind of help my hands. My hands are so dried out from washing and this hand sanitizer that I thought this would help. I try to keep lotion on them, but they're really, really dry. But anyway, y'all, that is my Dollar Tree haul. Glad y'all stopped by. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite perfume to be entered into the giveaway for the Dossier perfume. And I just want to let y'all know I've missed y'all. I know I've been hit and miss, on and off again, but it's a big adjustment to getting used to Mama being gone. But I'm doing better, and I'm going to try to do better, get more videos and do some more craft things. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. What's Mama got? What's Mama got? Johnny, bring it back.
You ready?